bro. What if I just... Yay.
Get back here. Get back here.
What's up, everybody? It's me.
Oh, there you are.
And today I made Angry Birds, so... Wait, why am I green? Are Angry Birds green or is it creepers? I'm pretty sure it's creepers.
If you're happy and you know poop on your mom.
Kill yourself because
If you're happy
Wait,
and you
I'm gonna go to explode.
If you want to poop it.
Oh!
my mom's dead.
Oh, dirty shit in there.
How was she dead?
Oh!
Yo.
Who wants happy and you know poop on your mom?
That was only one.
That's it, buddy. Ah, you're done. You're done. You're done, buddy.
Instead, table, stop.
Have mine. So I got this block. I didn't know why do I get it, but let's check out.
You're happy and you know poop on your mom.
Yeah. Where'd he go?
Oh, I got a good shot there.
What was? Ooh, I can change these around. So now I know how to beat people. This feels sick. I just want to go to heaven. See some people.
Oh, bro, I was trying to be sneaky on
Play
my guitar.
You're sad and you know it's this game.
Yes, finally.
You're sad and you're happy and you know it poop on your mom.
Oh my God.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy
Wait,
and
what?
you know it poop on your mom.
Yeah, so what map are you in right now? Stay there.
Oh, the creeper is so bad.
You don't have
So whenever I explode. Right, so I have one more life left. Wait, is this Minecraft?
Show me then. Show me.
Wait, why did they put
I
bombs?
own that.